a blueprint for effective instructional coaching. Research-based tools, tips, and resources. Today, we're going to show how instructional coaching can be an impact multiplier. That's because coaching supports numerous teachers who, in turn, can deliver improved instruction to hundreds of students. Most teacher training and professional development is not adaptive or personalized enough to create deep, impactful practice change. But coaching is. It is widely recognized as a highly effective form of on-the-job support. Leaders are asking, where do I find great coaches? How do I train them? How can coaching help me retain more teachers? Because coaching is nimble, personalized, and ongoing, it often happens in both structured and organic settings and at different times, unlike traditional professional development. Creating a culture of adult learning nurtured by coaching requires deep strategic planning. This process takes time but will yield high returns. Here are BetterLesson's 8 steps for success. Step 1. Clearly articulate the instructional vision and the coach's role. Are they being tasked with whole school improvement initiatives, changing teacher practice, raising student achievement? Step 2. Conduct a needs assessment with key stakeholders. Identify the resources and strengths within your organization. Take stock of your number of early career teachers, budgetary constraints, and the state of new technology or curriculum initiatives. Step 3. Group your staff into tiers and determine the ideal supports for each tier. Step 4. Determine the coaching expertise that meets the needs you've identified and prioritized. For example, to support new teachers, a coach will need deep reservoirs of empathy. Step 5. Determine the methods by which you want to recruit and develop coaches. For example, should you search externally or internally, or take a hybrid approach? Step 6. Quantify the impact you expect to see as a result of the coaching support, using data to evaluate. Step 7. Communicate expectations to stakeholders before and during coaching implementation, and create a plan for feedback. Be clear about what is going to happen, how it connects to the vision, and why it's important. Step 8. Monitor progress and plan ahead. You'll begin to collect quantitative and qualitative data over the course of the school year. As you analyze progress, consider changes in teacher practice, teachers' self-reported growth, and student surveys. After 11 years learning from millions of teachers, BetterLesson has pinpointed the elements that make coaches effective. And we've learned that 3 factors, time, talent, and training, have significant impact on the success or failure of coaching. At BetterLesson, we found the sweet spot for frequency. Our coaches meet formally with teachers bi-weekly and informally in between these meetings. Highly effective coaches are talented, skilled practitioners with savvy interpersonal skills who can articulate strategies clearly and know where to go for resources. Like teachers, even the best coaches still need upfront training and ongoing opportunities to improve their practice. At BetterLesson, the coaching we provide for school and district-based coaches involves the same bi-weekly cadence of one-on-one sessions. We found that effective coaching for coaches supports them to implement systems of frequent, low-stakes observations and give teachers actionable feedback. It also supports coaches to help teachers try strategies in service of their goals and reflect on and share evidence of their growth. At BetterLesson, we've learned that coaching implementation will be as smooth as the strategy and planning that goes into it. We help districts propel change for all students by understanding the district's vision and fitting our supports to the strengths and needs of the educators within each school, helping you build powerful internal capacity through a culture of coaching. Ready to dig deeper into the conversation on instructional coaching? Read our white paper, A Guide to Implementing Instructional Coaching. Or reach out to us to start a conversation.